How to log food using the new Awaken180 app. How to log scanned food. First, navigate to the home page in your app. Tap on the Log Food button. Tap on the plus icon on the rightmost side of each meal type, for example breakfast. Select the time you had your meal by sliding the numbers up or down, and then tap the Confirm button below. Note: please be mindful of the AM and PM option. Once you are on the Select Meal page, tap on the barcode icon located on the rightmost part of the search bar. Your phone camera will activate and be ready to capture the barcode of the food you wish to log. Hover your phone camera over the barcode. Ensure there is sufficient light on the barcode for successful scanning, and tap on Submit Scan Barcode button below. Once successfully scanned, the item will be displayed on your phone. Put a check mark on the check box next to the newly scanned item or food by tapping the check box. Note: if you need to adjust the serving size or the fraction, you can do it here before tapping the Add to Log button below. Tap on the Add to Log button below. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.